most people who've been involved in the fire don't even know what a public adjuster is. And I was told about a public adjuster by a friend of mine who had been through a hurricane in Florida. And, you know, I thought, oh, we won't need that. And then when we got into our claim, we found that we did need it. We did need help. And they've brought us so much further than we could have been if we were trying to negotiate the claim on our own.
Prior to quality claims management, having dealt with the insurance company for several months on our own was totally confusing to me, because you went through a series of different people. They start out assigning agents to you that come out to the site and they get certain information. Then it's passed off to another agent who comes out and visits. Then it's passed off to a third agent. And you never know where you're at. I remember one particular occasion trying to get an answer to a question was put off for a good 2.5 months because one of the agents was hospitalized. And everything was held up till that person got back to give us some answers. So we really knew we needed help at that point. And that's why we went with quality claims management.
And they give you a good template to work with, because the insurance agent, the insurance adjuster had said regarding contents, oh, we'll just come out and we'll sit down with our laptop and we'll make a list for you. Well, you can't possibly remember everything within the first
31
few
years
weeks.
of marriage.
And they ask you questions like, well, where did you shop? Well, I shopped in Nordstrom. Well, how many pairs of pants do you think you had? Well, I think I had 10 pairs. You could have had 20 in your closet, and you need that time to go through and compile your list and do research. And I did a massive amount of research on the internet, but then we had to put it all together, and that's where they came in and helped us tremendously. Compiling
they being quality
claims, yeah. So that was a tremendous help for us.